Hey, what's up guys? My name is Luke Aberley and welcome back to Luke's View. And today I have a very exciting video for you guys. Today we will be unboxing the brand new, I don't know what way it's forward, the brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now this is going to be a beast of a phone and I'm super excited because this will actually be the first ever iPhone unboxing on this YouTube channel. I think the first Apple unboxing video was actually on the HomePod, and then I think I did one on the AirPods Pro, and then my massive Apple unboxing, but now we have the phone to bring all of the Apple cycle together. So this is super exciting. Right now I'm upgrading from the iPhone X, which is still an awesome phone to date, but some things I really look for in a smartphone is I look at, how does it work in my new workflow? Another big thing, one of the most important things for me is the camera, because as you know, I'm a photographer and videographer, so sometimes you don't always want to have to bring this new, this big camera with me. That's why I'm really excited about this, is I still get to use it a ton, but just, for quick shots, this will just produce a little bit better quality than the one I have now. And one big important thing is the battery. The battery's super huge. I have so many battery packs, but I just, it's nice to not have to bring around a battery pack. I don't mind having to bring one around for just in case, but trying to have one in your pocket all the time and everything is a bit annoying. So I was actually going to go for the 12 Pro, but the reason why I went for the 12 Pro Max and why you might want to too is because it has the better camera. So this is the first time that the bigger phone with Apple has the best camera. Normally it's the 12 Pro and the 12 Pro Max, or 11 Pro or 11 Pro Max. They have the same camera, but now it's different. So it's going to be a bit of a size increase from, it's almost a whole inch, just a little bit less than a whole inch bigger than this phone, which is crazy. But yeah, still rocking this phone. It's still awesome. Still highly recommend it to someone because you can actually get these pretty cheap and they still have a really good camera. Everything's really good. They work great. And yeah, so let's get into the unboxing of this camera. We're gonna get into overhead mode. Let's go. Okay, so here we go. Now for this, I'm using my favorite unboxing knife ever. This is the Cold Steel knife. If you haven't seen already, I actually did it, a big review on it that they sent me out these knives a little while ago actually now, but go check it out. It's on my YouTube channel and it's really awesome. So I'm gonna grab my knife. Look at that. Oh yes. So I'm gonna slice right into it. Also, before we do, how do you guys like this setup? I tried to get the little plants in here and everything, trying to make this look as professional as possible. And now the only gripe I have with the iPhone is they got rid of the charger for environmental reasons, but I didn't get the 11, so that means I have to go out and buy a charger. But no biggie, it's not a deal breaker. Okay. Also, I ripped off the label so you guys can't see anything. Here we go. Take this out. Oh yes. Got a Vitellis cow. I've never actually had before a sealed and wrapped iPhone. Normally I get, other ones. Look at this. This is huge. Okay, this is really exciting. Zoom in a little bit more. Okay. Let's go up to the camera. Ready? I'm gonna be quiet. Oh yes, here it is. Okay, ready? Zoom in. Ho 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 ho. This is nice. I'm gonna zoom back out a little bit. I've never actually had a sealed iPhone. First time touching it. I'm gonna get a case for it obviously, but okay. Ho ho ho. Look at that triple camera. Look at that. Look at how cool that is. Okay, ready? Oh yeah. Oh Yes, and I can see why people say the sides are fingerprint magnets. Oh yes. Look at this. Okay, first, before we do anything else, we'll get into this. Cable. I think we all know. That's actually a pretty clean shot there. Okay. Wrap this. Actually, I already have one of these, but it's always nice to get another one because you can never have too many cables, as these aren't the most durable thing in the world. Wonderful. Tricky, honestly. Would have been cool if it was USB-C, but holy cow, this is a big phone. Let's just compare it super quick to my phone currently. Okay, so if we're gonna put it exact, it should be, holy, I never actually see it before on camera, but I never actually see that little dot thing. I'm always like, how do people see that? But it's because of the camera settings. Yo, that's cool. Okay. So that's comparison. Is it bigger? Like, feeling this in the hands, feels pretty comfortable. I still, like if I'm down here, still can't really reach the corners. But with this, if we're like this, no, I like the bricky feel. I really do. This is nice, and it also has 5G, which is awesome. And this is, look at all the fingerprints getting on here though. But look, I'll have a case. But look at this triple camera. So look at, now, this is awesome. But if you look, the cameras are actually a little bit bigger than the 11. They come out a little bit more. There's, and if we come back out, so if we look at here, we have 3 cameras. There's a wide, I don't know which one is in order particularly, but there's a wide, an ultra wide, and a telephoto. This is your light right here, and this is your LiDAR sensor, and this is your little microphone right there. Also, we're actually gonna do a full out comparison really quick of just looks. Because one thing that I thought was really weird as well when they announced this phone is that the Apple logo was in the center, and now it actually looks perfectly fine. This is mine. Actually, I'm like, holy cow, I've actually never seen it out of the case before. But it's white. Actually, I forgot that was white. But yeah, because it's always in a case all the time, so I never really see it. But see, the Apple logo up here is up a little bit more, and the one here is centered. But yeah, I'm actually hoping to get a clear case for this one. I have one. I have a clear case for this phone as well, but it just, this one I have right on is the Moment case. So I think we can power it on. Has some charge. Oh ho ho. Oh ho ho, look at this. Getting some power. Yes. Look at that. First we gotta get our, oh, we can see the little thingy. Oh yes. So down now. Oh ho ho. Oh yes. This is cool. So I'm not actually gonna set up quite yet because, first of all, yeah, forgot all about this. We have our SIM tool ejector, and instead of 2 Apple stickers, we get just 1. But yeah, so that is it. And yeah, I'm not actually gonna set up right now because we have to get it on like the data plan, and we have to get Apple Care and stuff, so I don't know for y'all to set it up yet. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's unboxing video. But yeah, that's it for now, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.